Prime Materials is a fully stocked chemical distributor that provides quality industrial materials to over 30 different industries, including plastics, rubber, coatings, adhesives, food, and personal care. We deliver quality materials you need when you need them. Prime Materials represents one of the 4 largest global producers of AMIDs. And unlike many distributors, we warehouse and store materials based on our customers' needs. This helps us guarantee reliable delivery of what you need when you need it. Family and veteran-owned since 1991, we are dedicated to maintaining strong supplier partnerships and upholding the highest quality standards. Our commitment to exceptional customer service drives us to provide the materials you need, including slips, sterets, oxides, polymers, oils, amides, and more. Please give us a try. Contact us today at primematerials.com.